Thanks for clicking on the video, everybody. I'm Chief Meteorologist Chris Bradley with the latest on our Doppler 10 weather alert. This is how it looks across downtown Columbus now. Snow is starting to come down basically from I-70 south. And the further south you go, the heavier the snow will be. That's really where the center of this winter storm is. So here's what to expect. Winter storm warnings have been posted basically from south of Columbus all the way down towards the Ohio River. Columbus is right on the northern edge. I'll show you the radar in just a second, but we're kind of right on the northern edge of this storm. So if you're up on the north side of Franklin County, let's say you're in Dublin or Worthington or Westerville, you're going to see less snow, maybe an inch or two. Just north of you, hardly anything as you get up into Marysville, or for that matter up into Delaware or Marion. South side of Columbus will see more snow than the north side. As you're closer to the center of the storm, we're looking at about 2 to 3 inches of snow expected there. Right now it looks like this will end around midnight tonight. The snow coming down pretty hard right now. That means it's going to be a very slow go on that afternoon commute. Let's get you over to live Doppler 10 radar. Again, this is the line that may come just a little bit farther north, but I don't think it's going to come much further north. So you can see we just got a little bit of snow just south of Marysville, just south of Delaware right now, just south of Mount Vernon. But as you get into downtown Columbus, the snow is starting to come down pretty good. Even across Franklin County, as we zoom in right now, you can see snow from West Jefferson to Grove City to Obetz, Groveport, all the way around to around Reynoldsburg. It looks like there's a little band of slightly heavier snow that's set up here from Hilliard as you make your way over to around Clintonville, the Ohio State University campus, over to Gahanna. But for the most part, we're going to find the heavier snow farther and farther south. In fact, let's go that way. See how the blue shade gets a little darker here? So it's snowing pretty good in places like Asheville, in Mount Sterling, in Williamsport, down to around Circleville right now. Heavier snow still as you go even farther south, down towards Chillicothe, as you get down into Pike County, down into Scioto County. So light amounts, maybe an inch or two on the far northern edge of Franklin County, all the way to 6 or more inches of snow as you get down here south of Chillicothe. Right down here along the Ohio River, amounts of 6-7 inches not out of the question. So this is a big impact storm for southern Ohio in particular. With the snow coming down, ending around midnight or so, there are going to be a lot of school closings and delays tomorrow morning. We're going to talk all about that. We will continue to track the snow, and we'll look at additional cold air that's going to follow. Yeah, this isn't going anywhere as we're back in the deep freeze later on this week. So we're on top of it. We invite you to stay with us here, not only on social media, but also check in with us tonight on 10TV and 10tv.com.